Right there. What are you doing?
Alright, you see this right here? When you ride hardcore, your bearings get a little loose. You gotta tighten those bolts back up. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna tighten them back up. Because it wobbles like a crackhead on Tuesday trying to find a rock. All I need to do now is find the right wrench.
17, bro.
Yep. I think we have two of them.
So we're gonna get a test run after this?
Possibly. Hey, that don't wobble.
Yeah. So what's the message you're trying to get across here?
That we can fix your bike for pretty cheap and guarantee it'll run or your money's back.
And that's a guarantee.
Yeah. We also buy used bikes if you don't want your bike anymore. We'll give you top dollar for them.
We buy bike and bike parts.
Yep.
We also will buy tools that are reasonably
new.
Yeah, reasonably new. Oh.
Okay. If there's anybody out there that has a DK frame, I'll just give you top dollar for it because I do want a DK frame. Just the frame, not the wheels, not the bearings,
a DK.
I'll put all that in it.
A DK such as the General Lee.
That's right.
So how about that test run?
Looks good to me. Try her out.
One more question before we get to test run. How long did it take for you to build that bike?
Approximately 5 to 6 hours. It's not that hard to put a bike together. I just took my time and put it together because you got to make sure it's all great.
Wow. Let's get that test run.
Piece of shit bike, but it gets me to point A to point B.
It's a piece of shit when we buy them, and when we buy them, they look better when we get them put together.
That's right.
So let's see that test run, bud.